Hello YouTubers, the following video is to show you how to replace the primer bulb for the Stihl FS36. Now, if you're like me, you don't want to take something apart and have springs and gears flying all over the place. Well, you can rest assured you're not going to have that problem. Alright, the first step, you want to remove your choke run disc and filter, and you want to set it aside. Next, you want to take your 5-star bit from your assortment set. It's a small bit, and it's pictured here on the right in comparison to a penny. And you want to start removing the 4 outer screws. Now, this first screw that you see me trying to take out has already been removed before I started shooting the video. So you want to get those 4 out. And it's important that that wrench fits inside that slot. So that little chrome holder has to go in that slot. You see, I've got 2 there. The first one wouldn't fit in, so I had to actually combine a second set in order to accomplish this. You might be able to find one that's got, just one long screwdriver that'll take it. That's what your screws look like. You want to set those aside. You don't want to lose anything, of course. This first video is just to show you how to remove the outer housing. After you viewed it, if it's been helpful to you, don't forget to hit like. After you remove all 4 of the outer screws, there are 2 more screws in the center, right behind the choke run cap, that center section there, that have to be removed also. Now you're ready to take a flathead screwdriver and insert it at the top and pry the housing loose at the top. Then follow that seam along the side, and at the bottom you'll see another slot right in the center. You can pry it loose there.